If you were planning on buying the S25 Ultra, or even eyeing the latest iPhone, I have a warning for you that might save you $1,500. We are officially in the final countdown to Samsung Unpacked 2026, and the leaks we just received aren't just minor spec bumps. They are calling this the Ghost in the Machine update. For the first time in 5 years, Samsung is changing the one thing we all thought was permanent about the Ultra series. Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today we're going behind the curtain of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. We have the confirmed 3nm architecture benchmarks, the truth behind the invisible screen technology, and a camera sensor that shouldn't legally be able to fit in a pocket. But there is a catch-a, massive price-related catch that Samsung is trying to keep quiet. If you want to know why the tech world is currently in a state of panic, you need to listen until the very last second, because at the end, I'm revealing the leaked release date that's going to catch everyone off guard. Let's talk about what you'll actually be holding. For years, the Ultra has been a brick and apologetically large and sharp. But the S26 Ultra is undergoing a titanium weight loss program. According to internal renders, Samsung has shaved the thickness down to a staggering 7.9 millimeters. But they didn't just make it thinner, they made it smarter. Have you ever been on a train or in a meeting and felt like someone was reading your texts over your shoulder? Enter the privacy display. This is a native, software-controlled 10-bit old layer. With one toggle in your quick settings, the screen uses light polarizing AI to make the display completely black to anyone looking at it from an angle, while remaining crystal clear to you. No more plastic screen protectors. And for the spec nerdsies, we are finally seeing a 3000 nit peak brightness. That is visible in the middle. Love the Sahara bright. It's powered by the new M14 OLED material, which isn't just brighter. It's 30% more power efficient. But wait until you hear what's driving that efficiency. Because the chip inside this phone is currently breaking every benchmark record in existence. Inside the S26 Ultra lies the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Now, there's been a lot of misinformation floating around about 2nm chips. Let's set the record straight. While Samsung's foundry is testing 2nm, the S26 Ultra you'll buy in the US and Europe will be a highly optimized 3nm for Galaxy Monster. We're talking about a clock speed of 4.74 GHz. To put that in perspective, this phone is officially faster than the MacBook Air many of you are using to watch this. We've seen leaked Geekbench scores that show a 37% jump in NPU performance. Why does that matter? Because the S26 Ultra isn't just a phone anymore. It's a localized AI server. It's everything from photo editing to real-time voice translation. Will happen on device, meaning zero lag and total privacy. But here's where it gets controversial. Samsung is reportedly ditching the 12GB RAM base model. In 2026, AI demands memory. The S26 Ultra is confirmed to start at 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM. Sounds great, right? Well, that extra RAM is the primary reason for the price creep we're seeing in the supply chain now. Let's talk about the real reason people buy the Ultra: the cameras. If you thought the 200-megapixel sensor reached its limit, think again. The S26 Ultra is introducing a physical variable aperture on the main 200-megapixel sensor. We are looking at an f1 point for opening. In plain English, the sensor can pull in more light than a professional DSLR from 5 years ago. If you're at a concert or a dimly lit dinner, the nightography mode on this device will make it look like the lights were on. But the real iPhone killer feature is the new 50-megapixel periscope telephoto. Samsung is moving away from the software zoom gimmicks. The new lens offers a native 5x optical zoom with a much larger sensor, meaning your 10x. And 30x shots will actually have texture and detail, not just eye-smooth blobs. And for the vlogger's 8K video at 60 frames per second is finally stable, thanks to a new gimbal shift optical image stabilization system. This is the closest a smartphone has ever come to being a professional cinema camera, beyond the hardware. The software is where the S26 Ultra truly separates itself from the pack. Samsung is reportedly launching One UI 8.1 with this device, featuring a revolutionary predictive interface. This system learns your routines so deeply that it can preload your most intensive apps before you even tap them, making the entire experience feel instantaneous. It's also rumored that the S26 Ultra will feature a new satellite-based emergency. It's a system that allows for two-way video calling in remote areas, a massive first for the industry. Samsung has been boring with charging. For a long time, we've heard it for a decade. While other brands are doing 100 or 200 watts, Samsung stayed safe at 45. Well, the leash is finally off. The S26 Ultra is confirmed to support 60-watt wired fast charging. It's not breakneck speed compared to some competitors, but it's a 33% increase that allows you to go from 0 to 75% in about 30 minutes. The battery itself remains a massive 5,000 mAh. But because of that M14 display and the 3nm chip, early testing suggests a 2-day battery is finally a reality for heavy users. For the first time, yes, it's finally happening. Samsung is officially including key to magnetic charging. That means all those magnetic accessories you've envied from the iPhone world will now snap right onto the back of your S26 Ultra. Let's get to the part that hurts. Global inflation and the skyrocketing cost of 3nm wafers mean the flat price era might be over. While some leaks suggest a $1,299 starting price to match the current models, our sources in the supply chain are warning of a $100 premium tax in the US and premium markets. Why? Because the S Pen is getting its first major hardware update in years. It's not just a stylus anymore. Leaks suggest the 2026 S Pen will feature a haptic surface that allows you to scroll through apps or trigger the camera shutter just by sliding your thumb on the pen itself. It's a productivity beast, but it's a beast that costs money to build. So is the S26 Ultra the ultimate flagship, or just a very expensive iterative update? If you have an S24 or S25 Ultra, you might be tempted to wait. But if you are on an S22 or an older iPhone, the jump in AI capability and display technology here is generational. This isn't just a phone. It's a tool for the next 5 years of tech evolution. Now, for the information you've been waiting for, when can you actually buy it? The official Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event is set for Wednesday, February 25th, 2026. Pre-orders will likely open the very next day, with the device hitting doorsteps on March 11th, 2026. Mark your calendars, because the double storage pre-order deals are expected to return. They will sell out within hours. The S26 Ultra is shaping up to be the most ambitious phone Samsung has ever released. But I want to hear from you. Is the new 60-watt charging enough to make you switch, or are you still waiting for a 6,000 mAh battery? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Tap Tech. We're going to be live streaming the Unpacked event and giving away an S26 Ultra to one of our lucky subscribers. So make sure your notifications are turned on. Would you like me to do a head-to-head comparison between the S26 Ultra and the leaked iPhone 18 Pro Max next? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.